To adjust date and time settings on Poco X7 Pro, first we need to open a settings on our device. Then we need to scroll down looking for the Google service, additional settings, sorry. In the first option, we can find date and time, and then you can activate or deactivate set time automatically. When it's disabled, you can adjust date and time manually, but keep in mind that changing those settings manually may result in some network issues. I'm gonna enable it and then we can move on. There's a time zone that we can adjust manually or automatically if you disable or enable this function, and you can then adjust it right here. There's also use location. Automatic time zone is when the time zone is active, then it will basically pick a time zone for you based on your location. Finally, next thing is a time format, and we can switch between 12 hours and 24 hours clock. There's also a dual clock. When activated, you will see times from two different time zones. You can pick a different one right here. And that is basically everything.